What distinguishes the Shisai Antioxidant Meal Replacement Shake from other shakes on the market? Well, there's quite a list, but let's start with the outstanding recognition it's received in the scientific and medical communities. Our shake was featured on the front cover of a prestigious medical journal called the American Journal of Bariatric Medicine. Bariatric doctors are those who specialize in weight management. The medical community recognized the shake because of its outstanding results. Using the shake, the 50 participants in a 12-week medically supervised weight loss trial lost nearly 1,600 pounds as a group. That's like losing 3 Michael Ventrellas from TV's Biggest Loser. On average, in just 12 weeks, the study participants lost 31.4 pounds and 5.8 inches from their waists. More importantly, none of the people in the study dropped out. 100% finished the program. Bear in mind that most programs fail because most people quit them. The study participants reported that they felt satisfied and experienced little or no cravings during the study. And that's no surprise because of chocolate's chemical makeup. According to Dr. Will Clower in his best-selling book Eat Chocolate, Lose Weight, cocoa helps reduce cravings by stimulating satiety hormones, which travel to your brain and act as an off switch of hunger, signaling your brain that you're full. Because they felt so great on the shake during the initial 12 weeks, all 50 participants decided to remain on the program for an entire year. The group lost nearly 2,500 pounds during that time. The shake contains whey protein isolate, which is the highest quality protein available because 98% of its mass is protein. Most protein used in shakes is whey protein concentrate, a lower grade product which is merely 60% protein to mass. Quality protein is also critical in weight management. It's an important component of every cell in the body. It's helpful in weight management because, like cocoa, it also aids your body in managing hunger by sending a signal to your brain that you feel satiated. But the key to the shake's effectiveness is more than just the best protein. It's the extremely high level of antioxidants it contains. Rogue molecules called free radicals are constantly attacking your cells, causing damage known as oxidation. Free radicals attack the proteins, fats, and even the DNA in your cells, and once attacked and oxidized, their structure is changed, leaving them unable to carry out their duties as effectively. Oxidation has been tied to the aging process and over 200 degenerative diseases. But recent studies have discovered something very eye-opening. They've proven that free radical oxidation can lead to unwanted weight gain. As a matter of fact, researchers at the Linus Pauling Institute at Oregon State University found a direct link between damaging free radical oxidation and increased obesity. Their published findings stated that obesity, as measured by body mass index, is independently associated with oxidative stress, otherwise known as free radical damage. But you can't avoid free radicals. You make them every time you breathe by burning oxygen. And our modern way of life with its stress, chemicals, pollutants, medications, and even daily exercise loads us up even more with free radicals. That's why Mother Nature provided us with a way to neutralize them. Antioxidants. Antioxidants are like antioxidation. They neutralize the free radicals before they can cause you to gain unwanted pounds. According to researchers at the University of Florida, eating plants high in antioxidants will lower the risk of gaining unwanted fat. Well, unprocessed cocoa, like that found in the Shisai shake, has more antioxidant per gram than any other food on the planet. So those free radicals don't stand a chance. Every Shisai shake contains 190 calories, all the amino acids, 21 grams of protein from whey protein isolate, 8 grams of fiber, less than 0.5 grams of naturally occurring sugars, and less than 1% lactose, so people who are lactose intolerant will have no problem. The shake is sweetened with xylitol, which is a natural sweetener with health benefits of its own. And each shake contains 50% of the daily recommended allowance of vitamins. The antioxidant content of one shake is so high that it's the equivalent of 54 cups of carrots, or 16 oranges, or 100 cups of raw spinach, or 40 cups of red grapes. The cost of buying those items is astronomical compared to the cost of the shake. In recent clinical studies, live human cells were injected with the shake. In those studies, the researchers found that the Shisai shake may be helpful in fighting something called metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome makes it extremely difficult for certain people to lose weight, even if they try. It's a horrible downward spiral that goes something like this. The person initially gains weight, which causes their system to become inflamed at the cellular level, which makes them more insulin resistant, which causes them to gain more weight, which makes them more inflamed, which makes them more insulin resistant, which makes them gain more weight, and on and on and on. The shake is effective in disrupting this horrible cycle. Researchers found that consuming the shake caused a 34% reduction in inflammation at the cellular level. They also found that the shake helped to optimize metabolism by increasing an important factor in the cell called SIRT1, which is a gene responsible for optimizing metabolism and repairing DNA. The shake caused a 15% increase in this metabolism booster. Now think about it. How helpful would it be in your weight management efforts if you could significantly reduce a factor responsible for unwanted weight gain while also increasing a factor responsible for better metabolism? Science has proven that the shake provides all those things, but the results speak for themselves. Here are the visual results of several people who were part of our weight management study. And while you're watching them, ask yourself if you're ready to start your own weight management program today.